Hi, Guy Powell here, and just getting ready to interview John Miller of Scribewise. We'll be learning about fueling growth through marketing and AI, and John is an expert in marketing, but more particularly in B2B marketing. One quick question, John, what is the one thing that you think will drive marketing and AI in the next few years?
I would say that figuring out the how to bring humanity to it. AI is fascinating and powerful, but limited right now. And it's how does it connote the humanity that people crave from content, and how does that evolve over the next several years?
Yeah, I think you're right. I think certainly when you read the results that you get on doing an AI search or a chat GPT. Some of them are, I mean, they're very well written, but you wonder though, it's kind of flat, so to speak, in terms of the emotion. That makes a lot of sense. So yeah, thank you for that. And then otherwise to the audience, stay tuned for the full interview about to be launched in the next few days. Guy Powell here, the author of the Post-COVID Marketing Machine. Thank you.